If you need to change the email address you use to log into Hostinger, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your Hostinger login email quickly and safely inside hPanel. This is useful if you've created a new email address, lost access to an old one, or simply want to make sure your account details are up to date. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your Hostinger hPanel and sign in to your account as usual. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several account options. From that list, select Account Information. This is where Hostinger stores your personal account details, including your login email settings. Once the account information page opens, look for the Account Settings section. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Email. Go ahead and click on Email to open the email change settings. After clicking Email, a pop-up window will appear asking you to change your email address. In the Change Email Address box, carefully enter your new email address. Make sure there are no typing mistakes here, because this is the address Hostinger will use for important account verification messages and login-related communication. After you've entered the new email, click Continue. Hostinger will then ask you to verify this change for security reasons. This is an important step because it helps protect your account from unauthorized updates. When prompted, enter your Hostinger account password in the security verification field. Once your password is entered correctly, click Send Verification. At this point, Hostinger will send a confirmation email to the new address you provided. Now switch over to the inbox for that email account. Look for the message from Hostinger, and if you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder just in case it landed there. Open the email, and inside you should see a verification link or a button that says Verify Email. Click that link to confirm the change. Once you do that, Hostinger will complete the process and activate your new login email address. After verification, your Hostinger account should now be linked to the new email you entered. It's always a good idea to double check that you can sign in and that the updated email is showing correctly in your account settings. So that's how to change your Hostinger login email step by step. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference if you're organizing your accounts or improving your account security. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.